We just landed in Toronto. We're currently in the train that leads us out to the city. This is the Link, I believe it's what it's called. It's funny because it has this like screen protector here, but here's Daniel. Just to quickly tee up this video, we are headed to Toronto today. We're in Toronto today, and we'll be here for the next 6-7 days. It's kind of a long trip. We'll be here for mostly pleasure. We're just gonna try to enjoy ourselves while we're here. We're going out to nice dinners, we're doing some fun activities, but we also have some family here that we'll be visiting, so we'll probably do that toward the end of the week. And we wanted to take you along like we usually do. Of course, our journey started with the trip to the Delta Sky Lounge. We were in LaGuardia this time. They've done a lot of good work to LaGuardia. It's pretty cool. And then after that, we found our way over to our flight. It was just an hour and 10 minutes, which was pretty cool because we, are coming from New York. And we're here. It was like super quick. Yesterday, we dropped off the puppy at family's house. So Sony is being taken care of. Don't worry. And hopefully we have a good time. So we'll take you along for the ride. This is the entryway of our suite at the St. Regis in Toronto. It looks like there is a closet right in the entryway, which is perfect. We'll put our stuff there in a sec. Let's see. Cool. Then on this side, there's a bathroom. Very simple, very straightforward. Let's see. Mirror here. Hi. What is this? Oh, we can't open that. That door doesn't work. We have a living room area. This looks great. This is very nice. Very, very nice. Daniel's already making himself comfortable. We got a little bar here. Fun in the sun. Okay. And then we have a beautiful king size bed, TV. Oh my goodness, look at this bathroom. Whoa. Yes, we have a soaking tub. I am going to enjoy this. Oh, I love it when they come with soaking tubs. And then there's the shower. And that is our suite at the St. Regis. Oh, there's a toilet, in case you were wondering where that went. Wow. I'm pretty excited about this, not gonna lie. Going to take full advantage. We're here for 4 days. Okay, so we are here for 4 days, and there seems to be a TV on the mirror. We will figure out how that works. Cool. But again, taking full advantage of this time away. Actually, I have to catch you up on what's going on. Let's do that. All right, so like I said, we're in Toronto. And we are here mostly just to have a good time. We've taken the week off. Labor Day is coming up, and so we're taking the week before Labor Day off, and we're gonna be just enjoying Toronto. Daniel also has family up here, so we're hanging out with family as well. But let me tell you how leading up to this trip, it has been so stressful for us. We have a mouse problem in our apartment. And I actually should probably say we have a mice problem. It's everywhere and all the time, eating through things in our home. It's really, really, really bad. So we got an exterminator to come through, lay down traps. We're cleaning after droppings and things like that. We're trying to get a professional in to really get some of those droppings taken care of. We have moved out temporarily because we're concerned about our puppy potentially ingesting some mice feces or urine. It's like actually really intense. So it's been an intense time. We made our way over to the hotel here in Toronto, dropping off Sony with family, which was great. But it's like, whoa, do we need this time? Whoa, are we glad it's here? But also there's so much unfinished business. But anyway, I'm gonna take you through everything that we do, and hopefully you enjoy checking out this trip, this week in our lives. Toronto after having a great dinner at Canoe with a beautiful view and everything. We had the tasting menu, which has, was it like 8 courses? No, that couldn't be. 6 courses?
It was like somewhere between 6 and 8.
Somewhere between 6 and 8 courses, and it was delicious. So now we're just walking around. It is day 2 of our trip to Toronto, and I am here just observing Niagara Falls. We were able to check it out. How pretty is that? It's like all this water everywhere. We were able to check it out much closer. We went to this area that's called Touring Behind the Falls.
So right now, guys, we are going down 38 meters to the tunnels, and then from there, self-guiding the 2 tunnels to view. You can choose which one to do first.
I couldn't find you.
You like these things.
What?
You like these things when we're in nature and it's like...
I do! So we were able to look at it from behind and much closer up, which was a lot of fun. And now we're gonna check out a few other waterfalls. So day 2, baby. Waterfalls all day, and rain all day, unfortunately. Daniel and I are sitting on the coast while I'm sitting Houston. We are at Cafe Landers. I actually don't know if that's how you pronounce it. Here's what it looks like. How it's spelled. We're here for breakfast. It is Thursday, so we arrived on Monday. It's Thursday, which means it's day 4 of our trip to Toronto. And so far it's been pretty good, but we haven't really spent much time in Toronto proper. Yesterday, we went canoeing and we did the Algonquin kind of park. We went on to the trails, which was nice. The day before that, we did all the Niagara Falls stuff. We did other waterfalls. It was a long day. On Monday, we had a really nice dinner at Canoe with the view of Toronto, of the CN Tower. Today, it's about hanging out in the city proper. And we're starting off here at the Lochlander's Bakery for breakfast. And then later on, we're gonna go to do some high tea, which we're excited about. I don't know though what else we're gonna do today. We're probably just gonna walk around. It's a little chillier today. It's in the 50s right now outside. So that's why I'm wearing this sweater. Yeah, Canada. We bought it yesterday. We bought sweatshirts yesterday when we were out and about because it was a little cold. All right, we're gonna eat and go from there.
Utensils.
Oh, I'm so sorry about that. Let me grab them for you. Okay, that officially concludes our trip to Toronto. After spending a couple days with family, we are in the airport. We're at one of the lounges right now, and we are getting ready to get on a flight. Maybe one of those. But thanks for hanging out with me and for experiencing as much of this trip as I was able to film. If you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please do.